Hello everybody, my name is Jaedin. Today we're going to learn how to make meatballs. Alright, so the ingredients are ground beef, milk, salt and pepper, barbecue seasoning, parsley, breadcrumbs, egg, garlic and onion. Alright, and we're going to mix it now. We're mixing it, everybody. I spilled it. That's because I have an apron, everybody. Adding milk and eggs to the breadcrumbs will help make the meatballs tender and moist. The seasonings will give it great flavor. Wow, this is tough, but I can do it. It's getting harder. I hope it's going to turn into meatballs. Mush it. It's so squishy, everybody. And these meatballs will be very juicy because they have milk and egg. I'm so excited to try one when it's done baking. We are going to bake these meatballs 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Wow, this is a lot of meatballs. Looks like enough to feed an army. Me? I wish you guys can join us because we're going to need some help eating all these meatballs. It's ready now to be in the oven, everybody. Let's bake them. Here are the meatballs cooking in the oven. Stay away, it's hot. Okay, everybody, the meatballs are finished cooking. I'm going to taste it now. Yumsicle. I wish you guys can join me with this meatball feast. I'm saying salapti. Bye-bye. I'm num num bye. See you on my next adventure, everybody.